the points A, B, C, and D that have the following position vectors with respect to an origin O are the vertices of a right pyramid. Find the vectors AB and AC. This is a position vector, which means you can write down the coordinates. A, 5, -2, 5. B, 5, 4, -1. C, -1, -2, -1. D, 7, -4, -3. Vector AB, we will use easy, ending minus starting point. Ending is B, 5, 4, -1, minus A is 5, -2, 5. We will change this subtraction into addition. Equals 0, 6, -6. AC equals C minus A, -1, -2, -1, minus 5, -2, 5 equals, change sign, plus, negative, positive, negative, -6, 0, -6. B, use a vector method to show that angle BAC equals 60 degrees. This formula is given in the formula booklet. We do know this cosine BAC equals, from this A, AB, and AC, we got to use these two vectors. So we got vector AB dot vector AC all over absolute value of vector AB times absolute value of vector AC. 0 times -6 plus 6 times 0 plus -6 times -6 all over square root absolute value of AB 0 square plus 6 square plus -6 square times square root -6 square plus 0 square plus -6 square. Work this out. Numerator 36, denominator square root of 72 times square root of 72, which equals 36 over 72 equals 1 over 2. So angle BAC equals 60 degrees. Let's go to C. Show that the Cartesian equation of the plane pi that contains the triangle ABC is -x plus y plus z equals -2. Cartesian equation of a plane is this. We do know this ABC is a normal vector. So first of all, we need to figure out a normal vector. Normal vector n1 equals vector AB cross vector AC. So we got vector AB is 0, 6, negative 6, cross vector AC, negative 6, 0, negative 6. First of all, we cross the first line, then do the determinant of this matrix equals 6 times negative 6 is negative 36 minus negative 6 times 0 is 0. Second step, cross out the second row. Since this matrix separated, we put the negative sign. 0 times negative 6 is 0 minus negative 6 times negative 6 is 36. Cross out the third row. 0 times 0 is 0 minus. Then 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. Answer, negative 36, positive 36, then positive 36. Since normal vector is a direction vector, we will take a common factor 36 out. Remember, normally we take out a positive common factor. So normal vector n equals negative 1, 1, 1. D equals position vector dot this normal vector. Position vector, I will use OA. You can use OB or OC dot normal vector equals 5 times negative 1 plus negative 2 times 1 plus 5 times 1 equals negative 2. So xyz dot normal vector equals negative 2, which means negative x plus y plus z equals negative 2. D, the line L passes through the point D and is perpendicular to pi. Find a vector equation of the line L. Let's think about this plane pi. Since the line passes through the point D and is perpendicular to pi, which means the direction vector is a normal vector n. Direction vector negative 1, 1, 1. Here is the vector equation of a line. R equals A plus lambda B. A is a position vector. So R equals position vector is 7, negative 4, negative 3 plus lambda. Direction vector is negative 1, 1, 1. This is the vector equation of line L. Hence, determine the minimum distance d sub minimum from D to pi. Let's draw this plane pi. This is a normal vector. Suppose this is a D. we need to figure out this reflection point D prime. This is the vector equation of L. We will change this into parametric form. X equals 7 minus lambda. Y equals -4 plus lambda. Z equals -3 plus lambda. The equation of this pi is -x plus y plus z equals -2. Now we do the substitution. X equals 7 minus lambda plus -4 plus lambda plus -3 plus lambda equals -2. Simplify. -7 plus lambda minus 4 plus lambda minus 3 plus lambda equals -2. Combine like terms. -14 plus 3 lambda equals -2. Add 14 both sides, and lambda equals 4. So the coordinate of D prime equals 7 minus 4, -4 plus 4, -3 plus 4, which is 3, 0, 1. The minimum distance equals the distance between D and D prime. Coordinate of D is 7, -4, -3. D prime 3, 0, 1. So the distance between D prime equals square root 7 minus 3 square plus -4 minus 0 square plus -3 minus 1 square equals square root 4 squared is 16, 16 plus 16 plus 16 equals square root of 48, which is 4 square root of 3. F. Find the volume of a right pyramid ABCD. Let's draw this right pyramid. We already figured out from this D to this plane pipe containing point ABC is 4 square root of 3. We want to figure out the volume of a right pyramid ABCD. We need to figure out the area of triangle ABC. Since we already figured out AB cross AC equals 36 times the vector -1, 1, 1. Based on the concept of cross product, we know the area of triangle ABC equals 1/2. Absolute value of vector AB cross vector AC equals 1/2 dot 36 square root -1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equals 18 square root of 3. So the volume of right pyramid ABCD equals 1/3 times base area 18 square root of 3 times the height 4 square root of 3 equals 72. G. Find the shortest distance from D to line AB. We already figured out vector AB. Let's draw this diagram D. A, this is B. Then we can form this triangle. From this D, let's draw the height H. We have two ways to work out the area of triangle ABD. One way, we can use cross product 1/2 absolute value of vector AB cross vector AD. Another way to get this area is 1/2 distance between A and B times H. We are looking for this H. So we will use this equation to figure out the shortest distance. H equals absolute value of vector AB cross vector AD all over absolute value of vector AB. Let's work out vector AB cross vector AD. Vector AD equals easy ending point minus starting point 7 -4 -3 minus 5 -2 5. Addition, change sign. We got 2 -2 -8. Take these two out. 1 -1 -4. Vector AB cross vector AD. Take a common factor out. 6 times 2. 0, 1, -1. Cross 1, -1, -4. We got 12. Cover the first row. 1 times -4 is -4 minus -1 times -1 is 1. Cover the second row. Put the negative sign. 0 times -4 is 0 minus -1 times 1 is -1. Cover the third row. 0 times -1 is 0 minus 1 times 1 is 1. So we get 12 times -5. Negative is a positive, -1, -1. So we get H equals absolute value of vector AB cross vector AD all over absolute value of vector AB. We have a common factor 12 out, square root, -5 squared plus -1 squared plus -1 squared. Denominator, common factor is 6. So take 6 out. Square root, 0 squared plus 1 squared plus -1 squared equals, reduce, 2 square root of 27 over square root of 2 equals, square root of 27 is 3 square root of 3. So we got 6 square root of 3 over square root of 2. Simplify. Since 6 square root of 3 over square root of 2. 1 over square root of 2 is square root of 2 over 2. Bring 6 square root of 3. We got 3 square root of 6 equals 3 square root of 6.